Yeah, that'd be sick. Oh. So there's a big puddle. Here. And then we go through here. Woo! Oh, I got mud on my back. I haven't been over here yet. Oh, this one needs some fucking... at least some weed whacking real quick. Oh. Launch. Did you hit this one?
Yeah.
Is it hard to turn?
Around the right side of the puddle.
Woo! Oh! My brakes aren't tuned enough for this track. Oh! Sketchy. Woo! Pretty freaking sweet. Ride through the fire. I couldn't miss it.
As long as you keep your speed, you don't really get that wet though. You didn't get wet at all.
I did a wheelie through it, so.
Yeah, you didn't get wet at all.
That was fucking sweet.
That shit's pretty mint.
That jump into the woods definitely needs the weed whacker.
Not that at all. Yeah. That's the only one I didn't hit too.
You can hit the whole thing now.
I did, pretty much. What? The whole thing. The back one's good when you can come up out of this one to hit it. So.
What do you mean?
He was saying I gotta hit the whole thing. I pushed it enough tonight. Fix it up a little more.
You fucking got the hard part out of the way.
Oh yeah.
Once the water's gone, then it'll be no question at all.
Yeah, whenever you go, wear your helmet.
Hell yeah. Gotta stay safe.
Break something.
It's on you.
Fuck yeah.
You got two of those things now?
Oh yeah.
See that thing, even if you bottom out those little jumps, that suspension don't give a fuck.
No.
He's got his forks all tuned up and shit too.
Yeah.
You ride that thing a lot?
Oh yeah. Definitely a lot.
How fast that thing go?
50, about 50, 48 on this one. Oh yeah. Oh, need some better brakes. Oh, into the smoke. So sick. Oh, barely swerved around that. Oh, that's wet as hell. Ew. Oh, the Surron's perfect for this though. It's got that instant torque that you need for these. Some of these would be hard on a pit bike. Oh. It's ripping. Woo! No hander. Whoa. Crazy.
Taking a look at the trailer out the back door outside fucking.
Destroyed these shoes now. That's all she wrote. Much better. Now let's take a lap. Whew. I can't believe I wore these shoes. This is the dumbest decision. Oh. Woo! Oh, that was a bad one. I got stuck in the rut. Right into the water. Not good. stoking the fire as I go by it. Bike feels like it's falling apart. Ooh. Just down there needs raked and everything's pretty much all set for another day. No hander. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Oh, man. Oh. This shit broke, so can you just take this? Can I give this to you?
Oh, so it doesn't spill?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want.